Looking for the best olive oil dispensers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 olive oil dispensers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Avvio Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. Pros: unique design that pumps oil into the measuring cap top before dispensing. Buyers love the drip-free spout. Dishwasher safe. Made of sturdy glass. Cons: some durability issues with the pump failing after a few weeks, and the side buttons falling off. Bottom line: a high-quality dispenser that cuts down on measuring spoons, although some buyers feel it is overthinking a simple product. At number 2. Aozita Glass Olive Oil Bottle Set. Pros: comes in a complete kit that includes the bottle, 2 pourers, travel caps, and a metal funnel. Glass is brown to protect the oil from sunlight. Decent price, and a good gift idea. Pourers have 2 different cap systems. Dishwasher safe. Cons: some reports of the spouts starting to rust after a few weeks. Bottom line: a complete olive oil bottle set at a decent price. At number 1. Rachael Stoneware EVOO Oil Dispensing Bottle. Pros: unique and modern design that comes in a range of colors. Opaque container protects oil from the effects of sunlight. Comes with a protective cap. Ergonomic grip that is easy to clean. Doesn't drip or leak. Cons: difficult to tell how much oil is in it, or how much you are preparing to pour out. Bottom line: this dispenser has a unique contemporary look that helps to extend the shelf life of your oil. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.